Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Brave Robot ice cream reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the site, guys, and Brave Robot ice cream is one of the leading brands, which is ice brand in the United States and Canada. And apart from that, the site is offering lactose-free vegan plant-based ice creams in different flavors and taste. You can also watch the flavors by visiting the flavors option given in the menu option button. And guys, you can also purchase these flavors in packs as well. You can find vanilla, buttery pecan, blueberry pie, raspberry white truffle flavors in these ice creams. Now let's talk about the payment information of the site. And yes, they have not provided the exact payment information, but yes, you can make the payment via online methods, guys. And apart from that, talking about the shipping information, for that you need to visit the FAQ section, guys. Here you can also find the product information about their regions and orders. So let's talk about the shipping policy, and here they have mentioned that it will take around 5 business days of the order being processed. So this was the shipping information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, this domain name was created on 20th of March 2020. So this is an old website which defines its legitimacy, but of course this is not enough to define its legitimacy. So let's explore the entire information including about us page. So guys, you can see they have not provided the about us page on the website, which is a negative sign. And talking about contact details, you can visit the Let's Talk option as well, and you can visit the contact page as well. So guys, you will find the option of Let's Talk in the contact us page. They have provided a query form. You can connect with the customer representatives via this query form only. They have not provided the complete official address details and contact number, which is a negative sign. Now talking about social media presence, you can see the site has strong social media presence on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Now guys, talking about return policy of the site, let's check out the return policy, and you need to visit the FAQ section again. And here they have mentioned that all sales are final. If your ice cream doesn't arrive unfrozen, we will reship the order at our cost. So they have not provided the exact return duration here, but guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about Brave Robot ice cream reviews, we have found no customer reviews on the internet, but yes, we have found customer reviews on social media platforms. And one of the customers said, "Amazing ice cream. I am a vegan and I don't love traditional vegan ice cream. Brave Robot tastes just like old-fashioned dairy ice cream, but without the animal cruelty. I am hooked." However, another customer said, "Delicious taste without the environmental impact." So we have found mixed customer reviews on social media platforms, including Facebook and Instagram. So this is a positive sign here that most of the customers are appreciating the taste of these ice creams. However, some are not satisfied. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would say this website appears to be a legit website, and it's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision. If you want to give it a try, then you can, but please explore the entire information at your end. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. I'll get back to you with another website review and other notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.